Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing hamstring curls on the reformer. Okay, so get ready to see not a lot happen, but trust me, a lot is happening. The hamstring curls on the reformer, I think, are an underrated, underused exercise, and especially with the studies that show about how many knee replacements people get in their later life, you need to have as much balance in your leg muscles as possible, and the hamstring curls really provide that. Also, the stronger your hamstrings are, the easier roll-up is, teaser is, all those things are. So you definitely don't want to be skipping this. In another video, I showed a transition from hamstring curls into horseback, or and how you can just like keep your flow going on, right? So I have 2 heavy springs on. I highly recommend doing that. 2 legs, 2 springs, 1 leg, 1 spring. If it's too heavy, obviously you can drop it down, but you're gonna really love it. There's a couple ways to get into this exercise. This is the way that I love because I think it is the easiest for people to do. And it's a little less, it'll look awkward, but it's a lot less awkward than other ones I've seen. So you just short spine your straps, then you're gonna cross them and put the loops on your feet. And so my strap that's on my right foot is on top. So I'm gonna scoot to the right. So that way as I flip over, I actually uncross the straps, okay? So that's the most complicated part. And then you want to slide forward till your knees are, like kneecaps are at the edge. And then I do a few variations, so I'll do them with you. I put my arms on the front of the box, knees apart, heels together as one, and you pull. And you want to make sure that your tailbone is reaching down, kind of like as if you could tuck, but you're not tucking. You're just pushing your pubic bone into the box, right? And that keeps your lower back long, and it keeps it in your hamstrings. Mine are cramping. So that's how you know. You do like 5 to 8 of those guys, and then you bring the knees together and you do parallel. And this is really hard because your knees aren't gonna wanna stay together, but you need to work on that. Now, something to note is that the knees will come apart, but the feet will also flex. So if I do it with flex feet, it's really easy because I'm just doing it with the muscles behind my knees. So keep your toes pointed when you do it so that you keep it in the belly of the muscle. Trust me, you'll figure that out. Then take a spring off, and then you do 1 leg. And this is what I promised you, like nothing would happen. 1 leg, and again, oh, and then you can switch. Ah. And so I'm just pushing up into the strap, and obviously I'm not fully straightening the leg each time. But like 3 to 5 of those on each leg, and if you have a weaker leg, you can go weak, strong, weak. But you want to do that as regularly as you can to, again, strengthen the back of your leg. Our hamstrings get really tight, often because they're weak, because we sit a lot. So the more you do that, the more balance you have to your legs, the healthier your knees are, and the more fun your Pilates practice is. So I hope you enjoy those. Thank you so much for watching this. I'm Lesley Logan. And if you want to see how you can flow more of these exercises together, please join me at onlinepilatesclasses.com for our reformer classes. We have a new class every week. And we have an amazing community where you can ask questions, post your wins and discoveries, and I'd love to see you in there. See you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.